Hey, I hope you're having a great day today. I just wanted to touch base and talk about some foods that help us stay healthy as we age. And one of the key fruits of all time is right here, these papayas. Oh man, this is my most productive tree and I really like it. The fruit is just so good. I've got two other papaya trees. They don't produce as well as this, but I'm going to plant more papaya because it's such an important fruit as we age. It really helps us. Okay, so what are some of the reasons why papaya is such a good food for us? Number one is it helps with digestion. It has papain, which helps break down proteins. I'm not, I don't eat any animal-based products, but all food that we eat has a certain amount of protein, especially the leafy greens have a lot of protein. But it aids digestion. It has water, a lot of fiber, antioxidants. It helps that internal plumbing. It keeps us regular. We have nice bowel movements, no problems. 2 or 3 times a day. If you're eating 2 or 3 meals a day, you should be having 2 or 3 bowel movements, ideally, per day. And if you're not, then you're holding on to things too long. And especially if, you're eating any processed foods or a lot of animal-based foods, you're going to get congestion. You're going to get some clogging there. Now, papaya can help tremendously with that because it helps break down foods and it has all that water and fiber. It acts like a broom in the intestinal tract. It's pulling things out. So that's so important as we age. Our internal plumbing has to work. We know we have a sink in our house that gets clogged up, it's going to create problems. When they don't pick up the garbage in New York City, it creates problems. And when we don't have regular bowel movements, it's going to create problems because when we get that congestion and that toxic waste matter material, it's a breeding ground for bacteria, viruses, sickness. So it's one of the keys. I love papaya. It's one of my favorite foods. And I like to have it as often as possible. If I had ripe papaya every day, I'd be eating ripe papaya every day. No question. I never get tired of it. It sometimes tastes like mocha. It has like a mocha coffee taste to it when it's real ripe and sweet. So papaya, one of the best. High in all kinds of things, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, potassium, folate, vitamin E, beta carotene, vitamin A and C, both good for eyesight. Yes, papaya is very good for our eyes as we get older. It's also good for the skin. So it's a win-win when you have papaya. The key is you gotta eat it when it's ripe. Because some people say, I didn't like it that much. It was kind of harsh. It didn't taste that great. That's because it's unripe. And unfortunately, commercial ones, they pick them unripe, and sometimes they do not ripen well. And that's why, people don't like them. And but if you can get some homegrown, they're incredible. And sometimes you can get good ones. So what else do I think is a very important food for us as we age? Another one is lemons. every morning, or well, I'm not doing it every morning because now we're in orange juice season, but lemonade, homemade lemonade, has been one of my favorite drinks for a long time. I'll have fresh homemade lemonade first thing in the morning. It cleans out the intestinal tract. It tends to pull toxins out of our bodies. It can even help dissolve kidney stones. It can help pull uric acid, which gets stuck in the joints. It can help with that as well. Lemonade, lemons, high in vitamin C. Bacteria and viruses cannot live in citric acid. Citric acid will kill bacteria and viruses. So lemonade is definitely a must for me anyway. I surely like it. It's great for a number of things. It's great for your blood pressure. It boosts your immune system. It fends off illnesses, as I mentioned, bacteria, infections. It helps with better digestion. Lemons, a great way to help yourself have good health. So what I do is I'll take 3 to 5 lemons, I'll juice those, put it in a half-gallon jar, glass jar. I'll fill that up with water, and then I'll put in like 3 to 4 tablespoons or whatever you need of raw, unfiltered honey. Another, honey fights bacteria as well. So you got a double whammy there. So homemade lemonade, lemon juice, water, and honey. Awesome food. And my final food that can help us stay healthy is the raisin. Raisins. I love them. I put them in my salads. I try and eat at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins a day. You can soak them. If you soak them, they're really nice and plump. They're high in antioxidants, and they help boost our mental acuity as we age. So that's a nice thing. They're good for heart health also, good for blood pressure. They also have boron, good for the bones, keeps the bones strong. And iron. Iron helps produce red blood cells, and that will help prevent anemia. So those are my top 3 to help me stay healthy, which I try and eat all the time, every day, a little bit if I can. And, you know, you have to take control. You have to figure out what's helping you stay healthy, because that's our job, to take care of our own bodies. The beautiful gift that God has given us. So I hope this helps. I haven't been posting a lot, but I'm back posting now. So I shout out to all of you that follow my channel. I appreciate it very much. I love you all. So top 3, papayas, lemons, and raisins to help you age well, to stay healthy as you're aging. All the best, and remember, all fruits, not just papaya and raisins and lemons, all fruits. Get a wide variety, wide variety. You need a little bit of everything. You need them all. That way you're going to get all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients you need. Fruit up, baby. That's what I'm doing. Take care.